This is a 2012 Fiat 500. We're going to be changing out the brake light. So you're getting on that with a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay. And then you just grab a hold and pull directly straight out. That's how easy. I mean, it's one of the easiest is Fiat. Fiat does a great job with these. All right, so what you're going to use is a Torx bit. You need to take this one, and that one out. So you can either keep it on the vehicle or you can pop off this electrical connector. If you choose to do that, what you're doing is you're pulling back on this tab here a little bit, because if you add too much force, it's going to break, and then lift the whole plug straight up. Looking for the number, they do have them on the outside of the bulb. Right there. Or if you look right down, they actually have, so it's a P21 right here. And if you look here, and that one's a PY21 right there. And this one is a W16. Okay, so what I end up doing, I put in all new bulbs all the way around. That way it saves you for another one burning out a month from now. So anyways, make sure that this rubber seal is in place and is seated down, and then you're ready to install. Just like that. So we'll go ahead and set that back in place. Let's go ahead and put the screws back in. All right, so now that you got your bolts all screwed down into your tail light, let's go ahead and reinstall it. Now you've got this rubber piece right here actually goes right in here, just like this piece. It's okay if it's on there. We'll just go ahead and pop them in place. Let's go ahead and hook up your electrical connector if you took it off. All right, so now let's go ahead and take and put your bolts back in here, get them good and snug. And again, that's Phillips head right here. Okay, or you can use a you can also use a socket on here too. They don't need to be super tight. Last thing that you need to do is check your tail lights. If you have a second person, just have them take a look at it and give you a thumbs up. Or what you can do is back up to like a garage door or something to that nature, where the reflection will it'll reflect off that door. But you're checking your brake light right here. This also is your running light. And then you've got your backup light or reverse light and your blinker right up here. So go ahead and check those out. Make sure you did it all correctly. And if so, give me a like, subscribe. I've got a ton of other videos on the Fiat 500.